Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your laptop meets the essentials: OS version, enough RAM, and a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account or create one if needed. That account controls access and settings. Next, download the Microsoft Teams desktop installer for Windows or Mac OS. Don't use a random source. While the file downloads, make sure you know your account credentials and any work organization code, because you'll need them immediately. You'll run the installer and accept permissions. This step creates shortcuts and registers Teams as your default meeting client. Once installed, open Teams and sign in. If prompted, join your organization by entering the tenant or joining link. Make sure you grant camera and microphone access, then select default devices in settings so audio and video work reliably. Finally, sync your calendar and add relevant teams and channels so notifications and meeting invites appear on time. You're ready to join a meeting. Click the invite, preview your camera and mic, and pick a background or blur for privacy. During the call, use chat, reactions, and raise hand for orderly participation. Record only when allowed. After meetings, sign out when on shared laptops. If something fails, no sound, frozen video, or sign-in loops, clear the Teams cache, restart the app and laptop, and only then reinstall. If issues persist, check network or contact IT for tenant policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.